Hi, it's Russell from Low Fruit Solutions. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to add related posts to your blogs in Shopify OS 2 themes using the related post feature from our ProBlogger application. The great thing with OS 2 themes is everything is now managed and added directly via the theme customization menu, which makes it very straightforward to place and style and look at the impact of those changes as you go along. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, let's make sure that you're on the blog post template. Right, so to do that, you just, from your theme customization menu, hit the drop down within blog posts, choose a template. In this case, I've got the default blog post. And then on the left-hand side, it will load all the sections, because that's how OS 2 themes work. They all have sections and then these content blocks underneath them that you can reorder and manipulate to suit your own styling. And now what we're going to do today is we're going to add, just by clicking on this add block, we're going to choose underneath the theme block options here, underneath apps, we're going to choose related posts. I'm just going to click that, and so there you go. Straight away, what we've got here is the related posts for this particular blog post using ProBlogger related post feature. Now we can click on this and do some styling. We can change the heading. We can change the style of the heading to large, from H1 to H5. We can change the number of posts that are in the slider. This number denotes how many actual items are in the slider. So there's currently 6 and it's scrolling. We change it to the same amount as displayed. It will hide those. We can change the number of posts displayed at a time. So currently we have set to 4. I'm going to change this to 3. Now the only thing is with the theme customization, you need to click on full screen here because the slider is responsive. It will compress to fit the size, but here you can see it's now 3. I'm just going to click that to go back to the desktop view. We have the option to disable the autoplay on the slider itself, so we'll just turn that off so it won't scroll. We've got the add link to the blog at the bottom here. Just change the text for that. We can even we can turn off the link entirely. Right. We can also over here increase or decrease the number of words shown from the specific post. I'm just going to take them all out as an example. Yeah. And then we have a number of options around how to find matches. Right. So just a quick preview of how this works. You have 3 options on your matching, which is fast, balanced, and accurate. Fast are basically guaranteed results, but with nearly 0 accuracy. In other words, it'll just get the first number of blog posts it can find and then do the best it can to sort them according to your existing matches. And our matches between posts are done on a couple of things, but primarily on tags. Right? So if you're categorizing your blog posts as you should be, then posts with the same categorization tags will begin to show against each other. And the option here, balanced, just means we get a subset of about 200 posts and then find the best matches. If there's no matches, it won't show anything. And accurate will go off and get as many posts as it can and find all the best matches it can. So accurate, if you've got a large amount of posts, can be a little bit, it can take a little bit longer to load, and hence why you may want a more balanced approach within that particular blog post. The other stuff is pretty self-explanatory. Matching post tags to other post tags. So in other words, the tags that are applied to this post, how do we treat them when we match them to other posts? And you have a series of options here. If you say don't match, it will not look for any matches on tags. And if you have don't match for all your categories, then you will not get any results whatsoever. But this allows you to do a little bit of sorting depending on how you want things to display. Post tags to other post title. This is essentially matching the tags applied to this post to the words in the title and other blog posts. In other words, I could have a tag on here called dog, and if I have another post with the title of that post is the best dog for you, then it'll find a match. And then the last option is fairly obvious. It basically matches the authors between the posts. So if you have a number of authors and you want to show the same groupings of related posts that because of the author, then you would choose this option and you would give it the best rating. But really, it is this simple to add related posts into your blog post. You can add multiple of them. You can obviously, thanks to the app block content, we can actually reorder them if necessary. So now we've got them at the top. We can even add another one below if we wish, which I'm going to just do now as an example. And there we go. And that is how simple it is to add related posts to your blog using ProBlogger and the related post feature for the OS 2 themes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for many more.